Welcome back to this channel. Today we continue with the Android tips, tricks and fixes. If you're new to this channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button below and turn on the notification button so that you won't miss any of the videos that we post here. Use keyboard shortcuts so that you don't have to type some common words, phrases and sentences. Usually common phrases are boring to type in full, so we end up shortening words like NYT for good night, love you, how are you, but these are usually not cool from the recipient's point of view. It shows lack of concern and a bit of immaturity. You can set keyboard shortcuts for all these. You can just type NYT then good night come up, or LUV for I love you. Address can be shortened to ADR. Email for full email address. Whatever you need, even in any language. To do this, go to settings, languages and keyboard, virtual keyboard. Choose your keyboard, then personal dictionary. Note that this might be slightly different from one phone to another. Normally, if your phone is connected to Wi-Fi, you can't switch on hotspot to share that connection to others. If your girlfriend connects your phone to Zoho Secure but doesn't tell you the password, unfortunately you have a bunch of friends who need to be connected too. Download an app called NetShare to share your Wi-Fi connection. Make sure you check the ratings for an app on Play Store before you download. For me, it has to be at least 3.5. Also check comments to see if they are positive and do they look real enough. Use dark mode to protect your eyes and save battery. The best way to share a URL is not copy and paste, but just tap on share. Use split screen to use two apps at the same time. Have you ever encountered a situation where you need to use two apps at the same time? Use split screen. You can use the panorama feature to appear twice in one picture. Of course, it comes with some imperfections, but it's cool to some people. There's a way to open apps on a locked screen using gestures. You can open apps like WhatsApp, Camera or any other app you want. Of course, this doesn't work unless you activate the settings. Go to Settings, Micro Intelligence and then Gestures. Activate the magnify settings if you want to zoom anything on your phone. People are using apps such as LiveNet for free TV channels on their phone. You can watch hundreds of channels from news, movies, Premier League, UEFA Champions League, but these channels are not legal. Use them at your own risk. Some people have begun to replace Netflix with some free alternatives such as Cinema HD. These free apps have almost all of the shows on Netflix and they are free. And again, these channels are not legal because they violate copyrights. That's why you cannot find them on Play Store. You have to go direct to their specific website. On social media, you can mute people who are annoying if you do not want an outright block. I hope you found this video interesting and educative. Please share some of the tips you know in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. Let's meet again next time.